Hey everybody, Stuart back at you. I was reading my morning news today, and I thought it's a good idea to show you guys some of the iPhone or the iPad apps. That I have here. Now, of course, I didn't make these. These are property of somebody else. They're just really cool to have on the iPad, and I thought I'd show you guys in case you didn't know they were around. Just turn the volume up. Now this is an RSS reader. Sorry, it's a news reader. So you just go and you download your favorite news feeds, and you got them right here. And to look at them, you just scroll down. If you need to access anything, just access article. Pulls up the article, you can read it, or you can access the web, which pulls up the website that it's from. These buttons just make noises. Pretty cool. Sources, that's just where you add your news feeds and whatever. And to get out of the article, you just go terminate, and it takes you back here. And it's got red alert, which says confirm. And then you got really annoying news. Now there are settings you can change the sounds, like the red alert klaxon and stuff, to a different one. But you got your time. Just a neat little app. Okay, just gonna set you guys down for a second. Just set this up. There we go. Alright, so the other ones we have, this is the Star Trek pad. This one's pretty neat. It's basically a everything you need reference for Star Trek. You've got aliens, ships, characters, technology, places, food, sci-fi, medicine, episodes, cast, staff, and Facebook and Twitter feeds. It's basically like memory alpha on your iPad, which is really neat. I'm just going to let it sit for a second because it goes to like a screensaver. And I'll show you one or two features on it. So yeah, like I said, I didn't make these, but whoever did is a genius, and I love it. The iPad is perfect for Star Trek fans. I have a lot of apps on my phone also, but since I'm using my phone to record this right now, I can't really show you. I'll have to show you at a different time some of the different Star Trek ones I have on my iPhone. Because there are some cool ones out there. Best thing to do is go to the Apple Store and type in LCars. There's one of them, that's the Warp Core. But type in LCars, you're going to find a lot of cool stuff. Also, if you type in Star Trek, lots of cool stuff, even for the iPhone. And there's that one, which is my favorite. So very cool. Let's get out of that.
Deactivation complete.
Oh, actually, just start that back up. Sorry, I should have showed you something. There we go. So let's select ships. And let's go see. And what's my favorite ship, guys? That's right, the Constitution class. So select Constitution class, and it pulls up information about it, photos. Usually has a couple photos. This one only has one, which is kind of weird considering it's the Constitution class. go back. Let's do the Constitution class refit this time.
Accessing file.
See, and you get a little blurb about it that you can scroll through. And here's other photos. Of course, you can click on them, make them bigger. So overall, it's a cool app, especially the episode guide, because it's got every episode, it's got all the actors, everything. Really cool. But turn that off for now.
Deactivation complete.
Okay, so we got Elcar's alarm clock that you can have at by your bed or whatever. It's got the time. It just happens to be 12 o'clock, noon exactly. So that's interesting. Where are we here? Change the format of the time up there. You can also change the displays. That's a cool little alarm clock. And we also have these Star Trek comics. I've got a bunch of them in there. And no, they're not the movie. Not a big fan of the movie. It's alright. It's a good action movie, but it's not Star Trek. And the New Enterprise is hideous, but we won't get into that. So, this is just all the IDW comics and any other comics you download. So I've got all these different ones here. And you just select one. Let's select the pulls up all the ones you downloaded in that particular category. So next we'll go with the Alcars here. This one's pretty simple and straightforward. You've got navigation, orbital scan, stellar scan, plasma unit, ODN scan, allocation, memory and file allocation, system status, and data analysis. Go with this one next. This is one of the coolest ones. Now you'll probably see these in the background sometimes because I set them up as like screensavers for my iPad. I'm a total geek that way. I've got a lot of Star Trek screensavers even on the computer. Don't ask where I got them all, by the way, because I've downloaded them over the years and I don't remember. I can give you specific information about ones you do see if you need to find out how to download it. Some of them are actually flash animations that I've converted into screensavers, so once again, copyright or whatever for whoever created it, I'm sorry. And if you are mad at me or anything, get in touch with me with the comments below. And also, if you want to know more about them, just let me know and I will make sure that I get the information to you guys. There's this one, which is red blood cells. Some kind of sphere. Not really sure. Looks like a clock around a planet. The orbital paths of planets. Wormhole. Milky Way. Engine break apart diagram. Solar radiation around the planet. 3D data analysis, and file allocation. Sorry, can't speak today. DNA analysis and comparison. and then looks like some kind of sine wave translation matrix or something. I just made that up, but technobabble, awesome stuff. And there's this one that has just 6 animations. More file allocation. Looks like another ODN scan. Navigation. Brainwave analysis. And just a star field. So those are some of my iPad's Star Trek apps. Like I said, if you guys have any questions about anything specific you see, let me know, and I'll get that information to you as fast as I can. And I will be showing you the apps I have on my iPhone at a later date. Okay, so until then, keep on trekking, and I'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.